Hello friends, welcome to my channel Current Vacancy. My name is Divya Agarwal and today I will tell you about the new vacancy. So as we can see, there is a vacancy in the university that is for the post of associate professor, assistant professor and professor. And there will be a permanent vacancy for the assistant professor also. What is the eligibility you need for the UG, PG, PhD? And there will be direct interview on the basis of your skills and your experience, and it is in the state university. I will tell you about the state university, and the last date is 27th June. Pay scale you will get from the 50,000 to 1 lakh until 2 lakh. Guwahati University requirement 2020 and do the search button. Now you will see here there is a recruitment related notification. You will click on the site. This page come on your, as you can see, Guwahati University. Now you will have to read this advertisement for teaching post of professor, associate professor, assistant professor, that is permanent, that I have already told you, under various department of Guwahati University. So you have to click on this. When you click on this, you will be redirected to this page, and there is a two link. You have to click first on the scan and you will get the Guwahati University, Gopinath Badrol Nagar, Guwahati, Assam, that is in Assam. So applications are invited from the Indian citizens for teaching post of professor, associate professor, assistant professor, that is permanent, under various department of Guwahati University. Get details of the advertisement, and the last date is 27 June. And the minimum qualification is as per UGC norm, which I have told you, that is UG, PG and PhD. Now look, let it see vacancies for the professors in the various subject, like there is given you sociology, library, information science, Hindi, education. Same for the associate professor, and next same is for the assistant professor. So there is a category of SC, OBC, unreserved means general categories, EWS, OBCS. Now look at the minimum qualification. I have already told you. Pay scale you will get professor from 1,44,000 to 2,18,000, and then associate professor you will get 1,31,000 to 2,17,000, and for assistant professor you will get 57,000 to 1,82,000. How will you get this form? I have already told you. And the application fees you have to pay for rupees 1,000, and those who are belong to SC/ST they will rupees 500. And you have to speed post this also. I'll give you the another form also. This is the direct recruitment. If you click on this link, you will get to this is the form. You have to fill this fully for the direct recruitment. You can see here, as you can see here, advertisement number and date, post number, name of the post, specialization applied for, department, center, categories, and details of the fees paid here. Name in the full, father name, permanent address, date of birth, and this is your qualification you have to fill. If you have cleared the NET, SLT or GATE, you have to fill this also, and the other experiences you have. That's it, you have to fill this. Please hurry up, fill this fast, because last date is 27th June. Like it, comment it in the box, share it and subscribe it, and press the bell icon. I will share more vacancies with you. Thank you.